Alright, so I got my stool set up here next to the car with my jacket, old jacket, that scratched car. I'm starting here on the corner. Besides the adhesive and needing a good wash and wax, other than that, doesn't seem to be done any actual damage to the paint itself. You see the print from the vinyl printing on the roof itself, but it seems just, simple wash and wax would take it right off. Nothing abrasive, a simple polish probably would do good. But this car actually needs a serious detail, which I plan on doing. Actually this week, this is why I'm removing the vinyl. I'm gonna detail the car, do a full buff, and get it as wet as possible. I'm just trying to get this car wet as fuck. It's gonna be beautiful. Like I said, I'm gonna get some 20s on it. But the whole purpose of this video is just to talk my ass off pretty much, and show you guys how your paint will look like after 8 to 10 months of having vinyl applied. I mean, as you can see, the sun did a number to this, so I'm gonna keep removing this. I'm actually happy that I applied the vinyl, because if this was actually on my paint, it'd be horrible. I would have no choice but to keep revinyling. So I'm gonna definitely revinyl this to save my roof. Gonna order some today. When it comes in, I'll show you guys that. This was the 5D carbon fiber actually. I might go with the 3D or the 4D, or like I said, I might do I'm thinking like an off color, trying to do something different that matched the mirrors, maybe like like a red roof, red mirrors, and the whole rest of the car black rims with the red brakes. I have like a bunch of different ideas. I don't want to go too crazy with this car. This is a family car. I want to keep it simple, more like a VIP style. Definitely nothing rice. So if you heat it up properly, this stuff comes off easy, super easy. So I'm gonna get more work done on this and show you guys some more progress. All right, so here's the roof. The other side was much easier since the sun was hitting that side a little bit more, and the roof was getting a lot hotter by the time I got onto that side overall. So it was a lot easier to remove on that side compared to this side. As you can see, some of the residue from the film. Other than that, pretty happy. I mean, if you've seen what the vinyl looked like just a minute ago, that all could have possibly been sun damage on my roof. So I'm definitely gonna reapply vinyl. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a carbon fiber or even just do factory black, so that you don't even notice it's there, just to protect the roof. Because I'm not too concerned really with the carbon fiber look. I liked it at first when it was brand new. When I first applied it, it looked fucking amazing. But after a couple months, you see what happens to the gloss and to the vinyl itself. It starts to break down. Maybe there is better quality. I mean, I got that on eBay for I think $60. I mean, I had enough just to do the roof maybe 3 times. First 2 times, it was my first 2 times, so I obviously fucked them up. Third time I got it right, as you can see. Not the best, but this time I'm hoping to redo it and gonna be doing it a lot better. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I gotta still wax and buff the car, get all the scratches out. Once I kind of more or less pick out the wheels, I'll see what I'll do. Like if I get like silver wheels, I'll probably do like the carbon fiber look. If I just get black, I'll probably just leave it all blacked out how it is and just put the black vinyl on the roof to protect it. But yeah, this is my project. Family car. This is 2015 Chevy Impala 3.6 V6 automatic with manumatic transmission, I guess you could say, 6-speed. And I'm just throwing some vinyl out in the trash here. You can follow my Instagram at XavierSantos47. I'm into cars, music, a lot of different stuff, sneakers, and travel different places. And you might learn a thing or two. Maybe you guys could teach me a thing or two by commenting below any tips or anything like that. I also got to get my headlights polished up. I was thinking about custom installing daytime running lights, kind of a cool pattern, kind of that I had an idea, kind of like flow with this chrome trimming here. Customize them a bit, add halos and some strobes in there as well. Just different ideas. Like I said, I don't want to go too crazy. As far as the body, I'm gonna leave it completely stock. I'll probably just change the grill, add fog lights, and do the custom tail lights. That's about it, other than wheels for exterior mods. I got the K&N filter in there. I was thinking about throwing in exhaust, but it's not really needed. I want to keep it quiet. Uh, yeah, and actually, I'm thinking about getting a DA9 to do more of those kind of modifications too. Um, but we'll see how that goes. Might even get a Camaro. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do, but I do have another project in mind. After I finish this one, it's gonna be the real big project, I call it, because I'm gonna do a lot to that car. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, follow Street Rides TV on Instagram for all my car stuff and for like everything about me and all the, everything I do. And to follow me, go to Xavier Santos 47. And if you guys need promotion, check out unlimitedsocialmedia.com. They're the best. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.